Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video. If you are preparing for law 3 years and the 5 years program for the upcoming exam 2021, then guys, you have to focus on two most criterias, and that is the first one mock test and the second one the topic test. Why mock test and why topic test? So guys, whenever you start your preparations, you have to analyze yourself, because if you will give the mock test, that means the complete replica of your law CET exam, either 3 years or the 5 years program, right? But if you will give the topic test, then you will be familiar with each particular topic, their content, what are the type of question asked, and you will be familiar to various things, such as very first one, you will be familiar with the paper pattern of that particular exam, right? The second one, you will be familiar with the difficulty level of the exam. The third one, you will be familiar with the sections, what exactly your strong sections and what are your weak sections, so you can focus more on the same. And the fourth one, you will be learn how to handle the time pressure, because guys, 120 minutes for 150 questions, so you should learn the quick solving techniques, and that's why it is very necessary you have to first analyze yourself at which particular stage you are. So guys, whatever preparation you have done, give the number of mock test and the topic test to analyze yourself, and then again get all these solutions, then add your strategies in it, and also the amount of hard work you have to put. So where exactly you will get this mock test and the topic test? Let's move further. So guys, before moving further, this is our new YouTube channel named Manwar Law Entrance, which is specific to all law entrance exams such as MH Law CET, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLAT, LSAT, ILAT and others. So if you are preparing for any of these exams, join Manwar Education. You will get the best coaching for all law entrance preparations. Call our board line number 8228581455. So guys, link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because you will get lot of updates on this particular channel. So let's see where exactly you will get the mock test and the topic test. So first you have to come at manwaredu.com, then come to the buy online section, then here it is the law entrance. Click on it. Now if you are doing self-study guys, then you can enroll for the full course. You will get the video lectures, PDF files and the mock test. If you want to study materials, you can order here. Once order, it will be delivered within 7 working days at your home. If you are lacking in any particular section, you can get the section wise courses here. Now we'll talk about the mock test. So click here. Now these all are the respective packages. This one is the topic test, law entrance topic test. Now with respect to the quant, you will get 48 tests, logic 62 tests, English 22 tests and GK 20 tests. Click on the view details. Now you will get 152 mock tests in this particular package. Now here it is, if you are preparing for law 3 years, the mock test booster 6 section wise tests you will get, 4 mini tests and the 10 full length mock tests. So overall 20 mock tests. And the third one, the MH Law CET 5 years mock test booster, 6 section test, 4 mini tests, 10 full length mock tests. Now here also you will get 20 mock tests. So whatever preparation you have done, let's start first analyze yourself at which particular stage you are. Okay, give the mock test, know exactly what are your weak sections and the strong sections are, so you can focus more on your weak sections and you can trigger your overall preparations. So guys, this is all from the today's video. If you are preparing for 2022 program, guys, you can join our live classes, call or WhatsApp on this number. If you want a classroom coaching, you can join us at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. So contact us for live class, classroom, books, mock test, GD, VAT, interview or mentorship. Visit our website to get the details about the programs and to add the boosters in your preparations. For exam updates and notifications, you can follow our social media handles, YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and you can also join our Telegram group. So all these links are given in the description guys. Just check the description and don't forget to subscribe our channel. This one, the Manwar Law Entrance, our new YouTube channel. Guys, subscribe it to get the latest update. So that's all guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next video.